travelers, welcome to today's adventure where we're exploring one of North America's most spectacular natural wonders in its winter glory, Niagara Falls. While millions visit during the summer months, there's something truly magical about experiencing these magnificent falls when they're embraced by ice and snow. Today, we're going to show you exactly why winter might just be the perfect time to visit. Let's start with the big question everyone asks. Do the falls completely freeze over in winter? You know what? They actually don't. Despite all those dramatic photos you might see online, Niagara Falls doesn't totally freeze solid. According to the official records, it's only happened once, way back in 1848 when it got so incredibly cold that ice glaciers built up and completely stopped the water. Crazy, right? But hey, don't be disappointed. What happens instead is honestly even cooler. The partial freezing creates this absolutely stunning winter wonderland that'll take your breath away. What you'll see is massive ice formations building up all along the edges, these natural ice sculptures that literally change every single day. Best time to visit? So when's the best time to see all this frozen magic? If you want to catch the falls at their iciest, you'll definitely want to visit in January or February, especially after we've had a good long cold snap. That's when these huge chunks of ice form and everything around just transforms into this incredible winter paradise. February is usually when you'll see the most dramatic ice formations. The American Falls can look almost completely frozen, while the super powerful Horseshoe Falls is still thundering away behind these amazing curtains of ice. The winter advantage. Let's talk about the biggest advantage of visiting Niagara Falls in winter: no crowds. Imagine being able to view those magnificent falls without having to jostle for position or wait for someone to move so you can get that perfect photo. That's what winter visits are all about. You'll also find much cheaper hotel rates during winter. Those Falls View rooms that cost a fortune in summer, they offer significant winter discounts. Many hotels like the Marriott Falls View or the Sheraton have special winter packages that include dining credits or attraction passes. And the views from those higher floors are incredible. You can watch the illuminated falls from the warmth of your room. What to pack if you're planning a winter visit? Let's talk about what to pack because it's crucial. The falls create their own microclimate, and that mist makes everything significantly colder than you might expect. You'll want to layer up with a warm winter coat, thermal layers, waterproof, boots, hat, scarf, and good gloves. The mist from the falls can freeze on walkways, so footwear with good traction is essential. Remember, it's always easier to remove a layer if you're too warm than to suffer being too cold. Winter attractions. While some summer attractions like the boat cruises and Whirlpool Aerocar close for winter, there's still plenty to experience. Journey Behind the Falls operates year-round and offers an incredible perspective through 130-year-old tunnels that lead you right beside the thundering water. The observation deck puts you incredibly close to the water, where you can feel the raw power of nature. Warming up indoors. Need to warm up? The Butterfly Conservatory offers a tropical escape in the middle of winter. Step inside and you'll be surrounded by lush greenery and thousands of colorful butterflies in a perfectly heated indoor garden. The temperature inside is kept at a balmy 27 degrees, making it the perfect place to thaw out frozen fingers and toes. The illuminated falls. As daylight fades, the falls transform yet again with their nightly illumination. The colorful lights cast against the ice formations create an otherworldly scene that's even more spectacular in winter than in summer. The falls light up every night, but during the Winter Festival of Lights, the entire area glows with holiday displays and interactive light installations that make for unforgettable evening strolls along the parkway. Accommodation. Tips winter visits offer fantastic hotel deals, but choosing the right location can make or break your experience. Hotels with direct indoor connections to attractions, like those connected to indoor water parks or casino complexes, let you enjoy activities without facing the cold. Photography. Tips Winter at Niagara Falls offers photographers incredible opportunities that don't exist any other time of year. The contrast between flowing water and frozen elements creates dramatic compositions. For the best light, plan to be at the falls for sunrise. The golden light hitting the mist and ice creates an ethereal glow that's perfect for photography. The blue hour just before sunrise or after sunset also creates magical conditions with deep blue skies, complementing the illuminated water and ice. If you enjoyed this winter adventure, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more hidden travel gems and off-season destination guides. Turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. Drop a comment below if you've ever visited Niagara Falls in winter or if it's now on your bucket list. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.